Kambuni ya IRIA ya Brookside riu niyo kambuni ya mbere ya guthondeka indo itiganite kumana na iria guku bururi-ini kuhitukio ni ruhonge rwa mirire miega na ugima wa mwiri rungu rwa Ministry ya ugima wa mwiri niyo KNDI kuria mekiraniire ngirimiti ya miaka 4.
Makofi moja.
Mbere ya kuhitukia indo ici ruhonge ruru rukoretwo rugithuthuria ukinyaniru wacio na makiria guthurima kana ni ikinyanirie ikiro iria mandikite indo-ini ici kuria mamahitukitie kugerera maundu 14 maria mabataragwo gukorwo makinyanirio.
The entire performance of the products in Brookside, and that is why Professor Bong was worried. They scored very high. The marks that has been scored here is 95.36%.
Muikariri gite wa ruhonge ruru KNDI Dr. Evelyn Kirgasha akiuga kambuni ino ya IRIA ya Brookside ni yonanitie gukinyaniria ikiro ona makiria ya githimi na nginyagia indo ici iri hitukitio ikonekana iri na uguni mwiri-ini wa mundu na nginyagia kuri ciana.
Details on Brookside plus series of milk products report. Probiotic yogurt meets the standards on key parameters as per the results supplied from independent laboratory tests, which we've already witnessed. At the same time, the yogurt has beneficial live microorganisms and hence qualify as probiotic.
This is very important for us, for the Kenyans. So if we have confirmed that there are adequate amounts needed for additional live bacteria in the probiotics, then why not tell Kenyans they can use it, both as usual personal intervention or as medical, at medical level.
Kuhitukio kwa indo ici iria ni yogurt ya probiotic, lactose free milk, Brookside Lala na Brookside low fat milk ni udogereire moko-ini mataramu age science no nao makahitukio kinyaniru wacio.
In our view, they can be promoted as healthy products to the public.
Murugamiriri wa wendia kambuni ino Reza Chabokro akiuga riri ni ikinya inene kambuni ino itashukitie unyitaniri na ITEMI matiganite undu uria guteithiriria kwandanduka makiria na njira ya kuongerera wendia.
As the first and yet only dairy company to be accredited by the KNDI, and indeed the only company to have multiple products endorsed by the country's apex nutritionist body, Brookside Dairy takes pride in having innovated products that address some of these nutritional needs of the population.
Murugamiriri wa thuthuria kambuni ino Rehab Mukamia akiuga ni maratigirira ni mararumbuya a Kenya kimuhuko na njira ya gubashirira thogora.
Kuringana na njira iria tuthondekete iria riu, we are very cost friendly to ensure mundu ni aragia quality for what he is paying for.
Kambuni ino ya IRIA ya Brookside niyo kambuni ya kana gukorwo ikihitukirio indo ciayo ni ruhonge ruru rwa KNDI. Ngiribotera Kameme TV ni njĩtagwo Wangui wa MWIRI.